Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we solve guys internet problem in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to solve guys your internet problem in your Realme phone, so friends you can solve your internet problem in your Realme phone. In this video friends I am going to show you how to solve internet problem in our Realme phone. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So when first of all we will on our phone setting to solve guys our internet problem. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your Realme phone. So how can you solve guys your internet problem? So when scroll and guys click on your phone system setting guys. Then again scroll. Friends, you can see last one backup and reset option guys. Tap here. Guys click on reset phone option and guys click here reset setting. Tap here to solve it. So as your network problem will solve is your internet problem will solve in your Realme phone. After that guys you have any problem related to guys your internet setting, so don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, which phone you have, and guys send me on comment section. I will check what's your problem and then guys I will help you. Bye friends.